As a cultural ambassador of the United States of America, I've served in 17 countries around the world sharing music and a message. With the COVID-19 pandemic at large, we are socially distanced. Missions as they were before may be grounded, but the mission itself, connecting with people, is always there. And I intend to do this. I must now embark on a virtual world tour. Salam, people of Kazakhstan. This is my second time traveling to your country. The first time was in an airplane. This time it's by computer and phone. I'm so grateful for the opportunity to connect with you today. I'm amazed at how close we are able to be while we are also a long way apart. To give you an idea, if I were to fly to see you, I'd travel from my home in Nashville, Tennessee to our nation's capital, Washington, D.C. for a pre-tour briefing. That's 1,071 kilometers. Overnight from D.C. to Frankfurt, Germany, which is another 6,526 kilometers, a 7-hour layover in Frankfurt where, if I'm lucky, there might be an open room in this little airport hotel there called My Cloud, so I can take a nap and a shower, and then onward from Frankfurt to Nur Sultan, which is 5,108 kilometers. From my doorstep to yours, it is around 28 hours of travel. Through the next few videos in this series, I'm excited to learn about you. I'm eager to share American music and to virtually collaborate with local Kazakhstani artists and to connect with new friends on social media and to try to recreate your delicious food right in my own home kitchen. My home is in Nashville, Tennessee. It's in the southeastern region of the United States, and it's known for music. People even call it Music City, USA, because hopeful, ambitious artists move here from all over the world to work as waiters, Uber drivers, and convenience store clerks by day, so that they can sing, strum, and drum to earn livelihoods in the music industry by night. This town is loaded with songwriters, performers, and recording artists. When I first came here, a man told me this is a 7-year town. He meant that that's how long it takes to establish a career here. As I say this now, I just remembered this is my 7th year living here. It's my lucky year. Though many styles and sounds can be heard coming from music clubs called honky tonks, it is best known for country and bluegrass music. To describe country music, there's a simple quote that goes, "Country music is 3 chords and the truth." It reminded me of an idea you shared with me about Kazakhstan and its native music. To hear the dombra is to understand the soul of the Kazakhstan people. Wow. Soul and truth, 2 of the most powerful, eternal forces known to mankind, exist in our 2 musics.